In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post a tweet on Instagram just like Gary Vee. So you can normally see that Gary Vee posts his tweets on Instagram like this. In this, he has also added in a video. You can also do the same. For that, you need to download an application called InSquare. You can head over to the Play Store and the App Store and search for this particular app. After the app has been downloaded, now let's head over to Twitter. Firstly, let's take a screenshot of the tweet that you want to post. Come over to your gallery and you can crop it. Just like so. Now after the crop is complete, you can head over to the app, which is InSquare, and tap on editor and select the picture that you just cropped. Now here on the bottom you'll be able to see a bunch of options. If you tap on this background option, here you could add any of the background that you like. You can choose any color or gradients that you want. You can even add in photos or videos by tapping on this gallery icon right here. If you want, you can further crop this image. Just like that, and there you go. Now you can simply download this image to your device. Now the image has been saved. As you can see that I've just downloaded this tweet from the app. Now you can head over to Instagram and post it on your profile. So I hope this video was helpful. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel. That's going to be all for today's video, and I'll be back with more.